When we first launched the HempWorks brand, we decided that, Jen and I, we decided that we had to bring the most pure, the most potent, and really the most effective CBD products in the market. And when we launched, for some of you that have been with us for a while, you probably remember, we only had the two full spectrum oils in the peppermint flavor. And then we rolled out the 3 topicals. And then after the topicals, we added 2 new flavors. And then we got into to the pet products after that. So we have 9 products total in the HempWorks lineup. And we've always leveraged our story of being one of the only compliant and highly effective full spectrum CBD oils in the marketplace. But there was one thing, okay? There was one thing that was missing, okay? There's one thing, and it was a huge market that we were missing. And it was the market of people that were afraid of failing a drug test. They were afraid of failing a drug test because of the naturally occurring THC that's in the full spectrum oils, okay? And, so for about a year, our followers, our customers, our affiliates, our leaders, everybody's been asking, hey, can we get a THC-free version of the oils? Here's the challenge with creating a THC-free oil, okay? Here's the challenge, okay? The first challenge is with full spectrum. First off, it's impossible because full spectrum oils, you're getting 120 phytocannabinoids in the product. So you're getting the naturally occurring THC that's in there. So you can't do it with a full spectrum oil. So there's an extraction and a refinement process that you need to have. There's a technology that you need to have to do it the right way. Okay. And what we're so excited about is, some of our leaders and our affiliates and our customers, everybody's saying that, hey, if you guys can figure it out, this will be a product that can attract the military. It's a product that'll attract people who have government jobs. It's a product that will attract people who operate heavy machinery, anyone who's subject to a regular drug test, nurses, doctors, professionals that go through regular drug screening, police officers. We have a ton of police officers that want to use the product, but they just won't do it. They won't do it with full spectrum. So, we know that the full spectrum is the Rolls Royce of CBD, but we wanted to come up with a product that really, really works. Here was the problem we ran into, because some people asked us, well, why didn't you do this from the beginning? Well, here's why. The problem that we ran into is Jen and I, we could never find CBD isolate or CBD crystalline oils that were effective. We could never find products, in that category that were effective that would work. We just couldn't. And I figured out why. Those products aren't effective. And I'm going to explain it to you. The CBD isolates right now in the marketplace, okay, a lot of them are coming from Europe. They're coming from Asia, and they're being chemically engineered. These products are full of synthetics, okay? So when you go online and you see a certificate of analysis or a gas chromatography test that says 99.9% CBD, it's chemically engineered. It's a synthetic, okay? They bring these raw materials in from Europe and from Asia, and they're made in a lab. They're not even grown in the ground. They're made in a lab using the CBD molecule, okay? So, when I saw this, and Jen and I saw, our original reaction was, well, we're just going to go full spectrum. We're not going to go that route, okay? We're going to just go full spectrum, but we understand that there's this huge market of people that, they're just dying for a product that doesn't have any THC in it at all. So we came up with a formula and it works, okay? And here's what's so amazing about it. What I did is I went to the farm, I talked to all my chemists, I looked at what was out there in the industry, and I said to everyone, hey, listen, how do we build CBD isolate products that everyone in the world can take, but they're equally as effective as our full spectrum oils? I don't want them to work lesser. I don't want them to work greater. I want them to work just as good as what we have, and I want everyone to be able to take it. And I don't want any synthetics in it. I don't want any chemical engineering or anything like that at all. And we came up with a formula that works.